Alright, so video number 2, we got the guys going up on this pole where the wire split, and they're gonna go up there to throw some, get all those palm fronds off first, and then throw the P line over so we can bring the wire back over. Alrighty. Alright, he's over there removing all the palm fronds now. Working the property line. Alright, fine job. Alright, so this is all the bad part that's here. We're going to attempt to cut this part off to a good spot. Cut it right here. Yeah! Cutting. Cut. Alright, go. Alright, like in our new wire, about 20 feet or so that we got, brand new stuff to throw it over those trees. Hopefully everything will be fine. Alright, stand by.